In today's video, I'm going to show you how to pay the Dartford Crossing charge online in 2025, fast, easy, and stress-free. Whether you're driving northbound or southbound across the Dartford Crossing, you must pay the Dart charge by midnight the next day to avoid fines. Here's how you do it step by step. First, open your browser on your phone or laptop and go to the official Dart charge website www.dartchargegov.uk. Avoid third-party sites as only the official one guarantees your payment is secure. Once you're on the home page, you'll see different payment options. Pay for a single crossing, set up a prepay account, or settle a penalty charge. For a quick one-time payment, click on Pay for a Crossing. Now, enter your vehicle's registration number and confirm your vehicle type. The system will calculate the correct charge. Cars typically pay £2.5 per crossing, while larger vehicles and vans may pay more. Next, choose how you want to pay: debit card, credit card, or PayPal. Enter your details, confirm the amount, and tap Submit Payment. Within seconds, you'll get a confirmation screen and an email receipt. Keep this saved just in case. If you use the Dartford Crossing often, it's cheaper and easier to set up a Dart charge account. You preload funds and the system automatically deducts payment every time you cross, saving you money and avoiding last-minute stress. And that's it. You've paid your Dartford Crossing charge online, fast, simple, and secure. Thank you for watching this video.